But you still qualified for the match, right?
Yeah, I qualified in Bangkok against a very good young player coming up. And I played quite well, you know, not bad for me. And then when I got the draw and I saw I played Tepchaya, I was a little bit disappointed, you know.
So there's a draw as in when you choose who to play next, right?
Yeah, when all the qualifiers qualify for the main event, then they do a random draw, and unfortunately I got Tepchaya Unnu, who is the best player, who I think is to ever come out of Thailand.